Bharati. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. Now, time for the headlines. Thunderstorms in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra today. Hanuman Jayanti is being celebrated across India with devotion. US President Donald Trump says US force near completion of strategic objectives in Iran. India sends 1,000 metric tons of rice to Burkina Faso as humanitarian aid. Global crude oil prices fall as uncertainty over situation in West Asia keeps investors on the edge. Gold prices rise 1.4% while silver holds steady in the Indian market. Khelo India tribal games, hockey and football matches continue on the day 8. Bangladesh defeats Nepal 1-0 to reach SAF U20 Championship final. Football, athletics and archery are being held today. In the women's hockey final held in Raipur, Odisha defeated Mizoram by 1 goal.